iSAMWU isola inkampani yezindlu iJohannesburg Social Housing ngenkohlakalo. Le nkampani isebenzisana nomkhandlu weGoli ukwakha izindlu zomxhaso emphakathini ehlukene.
Those particular units which were delivered, the 1,132, as we speak now, they are not allocated to various community members, due to the fact that there is a lot of poor workmanship.
Inyunyana ithi emkhandlu emthathe eGauteng iGoli ekuruleni neTshwane inezinkinga ezingapheli soloku kwaqala ukubuswa ngokubambisana ngo-2021.
This corruption, as and when there is instability in the political leadership, these senior officials, this Section 56 and Section 54A employees or officials are taking advantage of that particular process because there's no way they account.
iSAMWU ithukusula kube imeya eTshwane uRandall Williams nakho kuhlobene nenkohlakalo.
I think it's important, especially when the DA positions itself as a party of good and clean governance, that, you know, where they govern, services are improved and all that, for them to be shown a practical example. They've been in power for a number of years in Tshwane, and I think that they no longer have, you know, the luxury of blaming the past on somebody else. They have to take accountability for that.